Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baby Girl for Life 004. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Baby Girl for Life 004. So we are making these noodles today. We are trying these noodles, this fire noodles. Let's cook it together first. So I'm boiling eggs. So this is my noodles, and this is what is inside the noodles. Yeah, look at it. So as you can see, I'm waiting for the egg to be ready. So this is my noodles and my eggs. So okay, so I'm putting the sauce inside, all of them, no keeping. Hi guys, so look at us. We are eating the Chinese noodles. Come and join me guys. Come and join me. So I want to add this one on top. Let me add it on top. I have 3 eggs. I'm eating it with 3 eggs. So spicy, but I think we can deal with it. If I can finish it. I think I need Miko. I need a glass of cold water, please. Cold water. Cold water. Calm down. I have to finish it. More water. More water. Ooh. Ooh. I cannot do it. I cannot. My tongue is burning. It's money. I'm not doing it again. It's okay. Bye, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Like my video. Bye.